I start explaining. Our lesson is about parts of the seeds. We're going about seeds. We're going to learn that seeds can grow into a new plant. Just 1 second.
Hello, boys and girls. Were you ever curious about the different parts of a bean seed? Well, for today's lesson, we're going to be talking about parts of a bean seed. Are you ready? Let's go. A bean seed has 4 main parts: the seed coat, the food storage, the embryo, and the leaves. The seed coat. The seed coat is the outer part of the seed that keeps the seed safe. It's really like our skin that keeps our bodies safe. The food storage. The food storage keeps the food and feeds the baby plant. The embryo. The embryo is really a big word that means the baby plant. And finally, the leaves. The leaves make food for the plant when it gets really big. These will be the plant's first leaves. All right, let's recap. A bean seed has 4 main parts: the seed coat, the food storage, the embryo or baby plant, and the leaves.
Okay, now I'm going to start. We watched a short video about seeds or parts of a seed. Now here, what can we see here? Just 1 second. This is the seed. Okay, let's take a look. This is a seed, any seed. And this is the coat. This is the coat that covers the seed. You can all hear me, right? You can all hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Yes.
okay, fine.
Yeah.
So this is the seed coat. The seed coat covers the seed. It covers the seed to protect the seed. Okay, this one here, this part, listen, I'm going to erase. This is the baby plant. The baby plant needs food. Where is the food? The food is here, inside. Inside the seed, we have stored food. So we're going to learn 3 parts in a seed. We're going to take a look at the seed coat. We're going to take a look at the baby plant and the stored food. Now, here, it's in your science book. You have to trace the seed and the seed coat. Okay, and we have to name each part. Now, I want to ask Yasma. Yasma, what is this part of the seed? This one. Yasma, press the unmute button. Okay.
Yes.
What is this part of a seed called?
Teacher?
Yes.
Teacher, which page to open?
Who can help me with the page number?
67.
Thank you so much. July, page 67.
67.
67. Okay. Yes, ma'am. I was asking you, what is this part of the seed called? Yes, mom. Okay, Celine. Celine, what is this part of a seed called? First, let's trace the seeds, of course, in your science book. And Celine, what is this part of a seed? This is the seed coat. Okay.
Yes.
Ali Abdullah. Ali.
Baby.
Bravo, Ali. This is the baby plant. And Yasma. Yes, what do we have here?
Store.
Excellent. Stored food. So wait. Here we have the seed coat. Here we have the baby plant. And here we have the stored food. Okay, you have to color the seed coat with brown. Okay, and the baby plant with green, the stored food with yellow, but not now, when the session ends. Now just write the seed parts, which is the seed coat, the baby plant, and the stored food. Done? Any question before I move on? Okay, let's move here. I want to ask some questions. I want to ask Karim Ajami.
Yes, miss.
Why do we wear coat in winter?
Cold in winter.
Why do we wear a coat in winter or a thick jacket? Why do we wear a coat in winter?
Cold.
Bravo,
Cold.
to protect ourselves from cold. Now, Mahdi Asi. What happens if we do not wear coat in winter?
Sick.
Bravo, we get sick. Qasim Watfa, what part covers a seed?
Cover and seeds. Seeds and good.
Bravo, the seed coat covers the seed. Excellent. Luna Antar.
Yes.
Where does a seed get the food it needs from? Where?
Where does
Yes, we learned
seed
about three
get
parts
the
of a seed,
food?
right? Where does a seed get the
From the
food it needs
fruit.
from? From the stored food.
From the fruit.
From the stored food inside the seed. We learned about three parts, right? We learned about the seed coat, the baby plant, and the stored food.
Yes.
Okay. Hussein Bitar. Which part of a seed grows into a new plant?
Tree.
The tree or the baby plant? The baby plant. Aline Askar.
Yes.
Why do we wear a coat in winter?
Because it's cold.
Because it's cold. Samir, what happens if we do not wear coat in winter?
Gone.
Bravo, we get cold. Siraj, what part covers a seed?
Seed coat.
Seed coat, excellent. Jadi, what is the job of a seed coat? Jadi, what is the job of a seed coat? Wait, let me give Jadi a chance. If she didn't know, you will help to lie, okay?
Okay.
What is the job of a seed coat, Jadi? Okay, to lie. What is the job of a seed coat?
Which page?
This one, it's not in your science book. To lie, what is the job of a seed coat?
The job for
The seed coat, the seed coat.
the seed coat.
Okay, why do you wear a coat during winter? To protect yourself from cold, right?
Yeah, we protect yourself. If we do not wear a coat, we get sick.
We get sick. Okay. The same thing. What is the job of a seed coat? Is to protect the seed.
Yes.
Okay. Celine.
Yes.
Where does a seed get the food it needs from?
From the factory shop inside the seed.
So from the stored food.
Yeah.
Excellent. Ghassan. Which part of a seed grows into a new plant?
Coat.
The seed coat grows into a new plant. Who can help?
Stored food.
Of course, not the stored food. The stored food cannot grow. The stored food is for the baby plant to grow into a new plant. So the baby plant grows into a new plant.
Teacher,
Yes?
does it grow?
No, the baby plant. The baby plant in the seed grows. Now listen to me. Yes, Luna?
Teacher, the seed will grow down. You did it here.
Wait, listen. Now I'm going to ask the questions one more time, but I will answer them. Why do we wear coat in winter? We wear coat in winter to protect ourselves from cold. What happens if we do not wear coat in winter? Of course, we get sick. What part covers a seed? It's the seed coat. The seed coat covers the seeds. The seed coat, what is the job of a seed coat? Is to protect the seed. The same. This is why we wear a coat. We wear a coat to protect ourselves. The same job the seed coat does. Where does a seed get the food it needs from? You have to remember. From the stored food, okay? Which part of a seed grows into a new plant? Siraj, which part of a seed grows into a new plant?
Baby plant.
Excellent. The baby plant grows into a new plant and it uses the stored food in the seeds. Okay? Now, everyone press the unmute button. It's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just stay quiet. I'm going to read and you're going to tell me the missing word. If you know the word, you're going to tell me the missing word. But make sure you stay silent only if you know the answer. I'm going to start. I'm going to read something about parts of a seed. Now, I can hear someone like Hussein Bitar. Hussein Bitar, you can stay muted. Karim Ajame, please, if you're not quiet, then you stay muted. Okay, parts of a seed. You wear a coat to keep you from the cold. Seeds have to protect them. Seeds have what to protect them?
Seed coat.
Bravo, seed coat. Seeds have seed coat to protect them. Now, you eat food to grow. Seeds use food from the
Stored food.
bravo, from the stored food to grow. I'm going to repeat. Seeds use food from the stored food to grow. Now, in a seed grows into a new plant or to a new plant.
Baby plant.
The baby plant. So, the baby plant grows a new plant. It uses the stored food in the seed, and the job of the seed coat is to protect the seed. Now open your science book to page 67.
Miss,
Yes.
I don't have the book.
Okay, if you don't have the book, it's fine. Just listen to me. If you have the book, open the science book to page 67 and let's write the correct number in the correct place. Here we can see a seed. We can all see the seed, right? Okay, I'm going to ask, listen. I'm going to ask Qasim.
Yes.
Look at number 1. Number 1 is what? Is the baby plant?
Seed cotton.
The seed
coat.
coat. Excellent. Karim Ajami.
Yes,
Karim,
miss.
what is number 3? Number 3 is what? Is it the stored food?
Bottle.
It's the baby
Body.
plant.
Body.
Baby plant. Number 3 is the baby plant. Samir.
Wow.
What do we have in number 2?
Oh, you got your mom.
Number 2. No. Tulay.
Yes.
What is in number 2?
It's the storage food.
Number 3.
It's the
Baby
plant.
the baby plant. What is in number 1, Tulay?
It's
the seed coat.
yeah.
Okay, Celine.
Yes.
What is number 1?
Seed coat.
What is number 3?
Baby plant.
Number 2. Stored
food.
Okay, Ali Abdullah. Ali Abdullah, which number is the seed coat?
Number 1.
Number 1 is the seed coat. Which number is the stored food?
The 3.
Stored food.
2.
2. Which number is the baby plant?
3.
Excellent. So please listen to me, everyone, if you're still mixing up. This is the seed coat to protect the seed. This is the baby plant that grows to a new plant. It uses the stored food inside the seed. You want to do? Okay, let's do before I move on. Ghassan, I'm going to erase the answer. Which number is the seed coat?
2.
1. Which number is the baby plant?
2. 3.
Baby plant number 3. Which number is the stored food?
2.
2. Okay, great. Now here, I'm going to repeat what I've just explained. So I want you to listen very well because I'm not going to repeat. This is the last time. Seed coat is to protect the seed. The seed coat is to protect the seed. The baby plant always grows to a new plant. And the stored food is for the baby plant to use it. Okay? Now here, it's in your science book, page 68. It's in your science book, page 68. Here we have a seed growing or a bean seed growing. I'm going to talk first and then I'm going to ask you. Stage 1, this is stage 1. Just 1 second. This is stage 1. The first thing we have to do is we have to put the seed in the soil. Stage 2, this is stage 2. The first part that starts to grow in a seed, bravo Alma. The first part that starts to grow in a seed is the roots. Okay? The root is the first thing that grows down. The root of a plant grows down and it's the first part. This is stage 3. What we have here, we have a stem. This is the stem of a plant. We have a stem that grows up and we have some leaves that they're showing. Stage 3, this is stage 3. 1, 2, 3. This is stage 4. Why is this stage 4, not this? I will tell you. Because in this plant, we don't have a seed yet. So here we still have a bigger plant. This is a bigger plant. It's still growing. And we have some new leaves opening. Okay, they are not yet opened. This is stage 5. Here we have a seed inside pods. This is a seed. So this is stage 5. Yes.
Do I have to write the number and you have to say it?
You're going to write the numbers and you're going to say it. Luna, Antar, say them. Which one is the state? Listen, you know what? You can write the numbers on the screen. Listen, you are able to write on the screen. I want you to write number 1. Luna, Anta, write number 1 for the first stage on the screen. Bravo. Ali Sulaiman wrote number 1. Ali Abdullah, write number 2 for the second stage.
Then I can go?
You want to go?
No, I don't want to go. I want to try.
Okay, try and write number 3. Wait, Luna. No, listen, if I didn't tell you to write, you're not allowed to write, please. If I didn't tell you to write, you're not allowed to write. Karim Ajami, write number 1. Tulay, write number 2. Yasma, write number 3. Siraj, write number 4. Alina Askar, write number 5. Bravo, Siraj. This is number 4. Tulay, yalla, write. Karim Ajami, bravo. Tulay, you have to write, I think, number 2. Alina Askar, did you write? Write number 5.
I cannot.
Siraj, write. Why?
I don't know.
Okay, finish. It's fine. I just wanted you to
confused.
try. Now I can see Siraj planted some seeds. We're going to talk about them. Just give me 1 second. Okay, now You're not allowed to write anymore. I'm going to write them. Listen. Here I told you this is stage 1. This stage 1, the seed is in the soil. Stage 2, a root grows down. Stage 3, a stem grows up and we can see some leaves. Stage 4, we have a bigger plant with some new leaves. Stage 5, we have seeds inside pods. Now, this is only, I will repeat them this way. This page is not in your book. Stage 1, the seed is in the soil. 2, a root grows down. Root is the first part of a plant that grows down. A stem grows up, a bigger plant grows, then the plant makes seeds. Now, I think this is what Siraj did. Here we have some lentil seeds. In Arabic, we call them adas. And as we learned that leaves have different colors, shapes, and sizes. Here we can see lentil with different colors. We have the orange, the light brown, and the dark brown. They come in different sizes and so on. You can get a cup, put some soil or white cotton, and then put the seeds and water them. After like 3 or 4 days, you will see the lentil seedlings and then lentil plants. Siraj, you can show us. Siraj. Siraj, I want you to talk.
The small lentil seeds.
Just 1 second. Okay, we can all see Siraj. Siraj, explain, what did you do here?
I bought lentil seeds.
Bravo, these are lentil seeds, right? In cotton.
And water.
And water, excellent. So plants need water to grow. And of course, sunlight. So we have the lentil seeds, then the lentil seedlings, then the lentil plant, as we can see with Siraj. Excellent. Now, I want to ask Tulay. Tulay, what are the... Yes. Who was asking me something? Tulay, what are the 3 parts of a seed?
The 3 parts.
What are the 3 parts of a seed?
The 3 parts. First one, the...
You forgot the seed coat.
Seed cover.
Bravo, or the seed cover or the seed coat. Okay, and what else? The baby what?
The baby plant.
And what do we have inside the seed?
Stored food.
Bravo, yes, mom. What are the 3 parts of a seed?
Stored food.
Okay.
Baby plant.
Okay.
Seed. And seed coat.
Excellent. Ali Sulaiman, what are the 3 parts of a seed? What did we learn about?
Seed coat, baby plant, stored food.
Okay. Can a seed grow into a new plant, Ya Ali?
What?
Can a seed grow into a new plant?
Stored.
Can a seed grow into a new plant?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Luna, Luna Antar, what is the first
Yes.
part that starts to grow in a plant? What is the first part?
Seed.
When we put the seed in the soil, what happens? What is the first part of a plant that
We
starts to grow?
water it. We water it.
Bravo, but what is
We
the first
water it.
part? Is it the stem grows first or the roots?
Yeah.
The root. The root is the first part of a plant that starts growing, okay?
Yeah.
Aline Askar. What are the three parts of a seed? What are the three parts of a seed? We have the seed coat.
Baby plants.
Yes. And the stored food. Which part of the seed grows into a new plant, Aline?
Seeds.
The baby plant. Okay? Okay. Do you have any question?
No.
Any question? You understood the parts of a seed?
Yes.
Okay, Hussein Bitar, what is the job of the seed coat? What is the job of the seed coat?
Math. Math.
Yes.
Math me.
Okay, Qasim, what is the job of the seed coat?
What is the job of the seed coat? Gives
It's fruit.
To protect the seed. To protect the seed. Ya Hussein Bitar. Okay? The seed coat is to protect the seed.
Food.
Hussein Bitar, no. The stored food is in the seed. The baby plant use the stored food to grow to a new plant. Okay?
Okay.
You have to review this lesson a little bit. Don't forget to color the seed parts in your science book, okay?
In science book.
Okay, fine. You can draw a seed on a paper and color it.